Hello everyone, this is Helen. I'm from Heilongjiang Chengyuan Company. We mainly produce the chairs, tables, and other restaurant furniture. And this is our factory. We have around 200 workers, and we have 10,000 square meters. And next we will show you the workshops. Hello, this is the number 2 workshop. And we have some metal chairs and metal basket part. Yes, it's with the package. And the second part is for this part. This is the metal basket with the bucket seat, you can see. And the third part is this one. This is the chrome double rim for this one. This is